hintay. So sige na po natin yan. Pinauna na, pinakanta na. Kawanan daw sila after. Bata ka nagkamadali. Naisip ko knowing you. In search of years ago, children, he learned she was pregnant. He felt happy for her, but also deeply anxious, unsure how to tell her the truth.
Galing pala ako ng wait. So, syempre, wala namang permission. Hindi ko natapalan kaya.
Hello? Mommy? You're sending what? Oh my god. You called and told me, anak ko, we sent you balikbayan box. I jumped and screamed, imagining having all those foreign products. I'll have coffee, make lotion, chocolate, shampoo, even if I'm kalbo. Second hand damit, I don't care, I still want it as long as there's brand name to show. I'm getting balikbayan box sent to me from my mama brand. I will wait for a whole 2 months. All those pasalubong coming to me, and I hope Canadian money. I ordered for your door-to-door and came. I handled it with care. It's so heavy. Frank said so excited to smell that North American air. But there was so much tape I could not open it. Rope tied around the whole box. Address written everywhere, as if we're blind over here, and OA naman yung padlocks. I got my balikbayan box. I waited for it for 2 months. I bet it's full of awesome stuff. Some Colgate and Blue Briefs, imported corned beef. I got my balikbayan box. So full of imported products. I know I will feel so social, parang foreigner lang. Thanks to my mommy, I'll have Nikes on my feet. After using lots of forms, I finally managed to get in. There's so much newspaper, good lord. Onto Mayor Robert Ford. Excited for the gifts within. I started to dig deep inside, and when I finally got within, I just could not believe my eyes. I just want to say to my dear mommy, I will always love you. But I got my balikbayan box, and everything inside it sucks. Some medicine for cheese and fox, holy water in case of what? Conjuring, you said hola oregano, a winter coat in case it snows, a pair of sexy pantyhose. Ay nako, what is this? Melted ice cream, and this always with wings. Ay nako, medyas that sting.